Good morning classes. So this class is about the thermometer. So in this class we are going to learn about the parts of thermometer. What are the parts of thermometer? Here I am taking 3 thermometer. So 2 are glass thermometer, 1 is digital thermometer. So what is thermometer? Thermometer is nothing but a clinical instrument designed to measure the body temperature. Thermometer is mainly used to assessment of body temperature. So what are the types of thermometer? Thermometer is mainly glass thermometer, digital thermometer, tympanic membrane thermometer, automated or infrared thermometer, and single-use paper disposable thermometer. So these are the types of thermometer here. So first of all, I'll show you. This is a digital thermometer. It is a thermometer container box, and this is a digital thermometer. First of all, you are able to see here that the narrow end part, this metallic part. This part is the sensor, also called thermometric sensor part, and all together this part of the digital thermometer is called probe. So nowadays this thermometer is used mostly, and here you are able to see screen. This is screen called window or display, or called display screen. So window screen or display screen, here so temperature will show in this screen. So here you can see that the round shape is on off button, and here you can see that in the upper part, this part is called battery compartment. This part contains battery. So this is a complete the digital thermometer. First is sensor part. This part detects the body temperature, and this part narrowing part including called the probe of the digital thermometer. Why it is called digital thermometer? Because it is automated and battery contained, and also called electronic thermometer. And there is a screen called window or display screen. Here the temperature shown, and this is a round part is called the on off button. By using this button you can on the thermometer and off the thermometer. In the upper, the end portion, broad portion, this portion is the battery compartment. So I will show you how it is on. So press the button. Here you can see the number. So now this thermometer is on, and again I press, then there is no reading. So now the thermometer is off. Clear? Got it? I will show you the digital thermometer. So glass thermometer is of 2 types. Rectal glass thermometer and clinical glass thermometer. Glass thermometer is also called clinical thermometer. Thermometer is of 2 types: rectal glass thermometer and oral glass thermometer. Here I take 2 types of glass thermometer: rectal and digital glass thermometer. So these 2 are the glass thermometer. Both are the different. So this one is oral glass thermometer, and this one is rectal glass thermometer. So what is the difference between the rectal and oral glass thermometer? Here you can see the difference. So end part, this is the end part. You can see here is a long and this is a short. So round short part, and this is long narrow part. So both are the glass thermometer. This is a oral glass thermometer, and this is a rectal glass thermometer. So this is the rectal thermometer. In a rectal thermometer, the bulb part is the long, and in the oral thermometer, the bulb part is short. Here you can see the narrow metallic part is called the bulb of the thermometer. This part contains the mercury, also called mercury bulb. So in the glass part, long part is called stem of the thermometer. In between bulb and the stem there is a constriction called the constriction, and you can see here there is a measurement scale. There is a Celsius and Fahrenheit measurement scale. Stem, inside the stem there is a tube, narrow tube called the capillary tube. So clear? So to the better understand, I describe here you. So this long part is called bulb, and this part is contain mercury, and this the long part is called stem, and inside the stem there is a capillary tube, and in the stem you can see here the measurement scale in centigrade, and in between the stem and the bulb there is a constriction. So this is the parts of glass thermometer. Clear? Stem, bulb, constriction, measurement scale, Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. Inside the stem there is a tube, narrow tube called the capillary tube or called mercury tube. Clear? This is about the parts of thermometer. In the next class, I will show you how to use the thermometer. So how to use glass thermometer and how to use the digital thermometer. So and how to clean both the thermometer. So I will show you in the next class. Clear about today's class? This is the rectal thermometer. In the rectal thermometer, the bulb part is the long, and in the oral thermometer, the bulb part is short. If you are new with my channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for new classes.